There are so many options available in the market. The process of finding the best toaster oven under $100 can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The Oster Digital Convection Toaster Oven represents great value for money, and is a great addition to your kitchen. It features convection baking that circulates hot air for flakier crusts, crispier edges, and even browning in less time. The interior features a light so you can monitor cooking progress. Customers seem to really enjoy this toaster oven, with its digital control panel that offers precise heat and time adjustments, 7 preset functions for guest-free cooking, and choice of toast shade from light to dark. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best on the market. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.